Hi guys, welcome to another property tour. You know it's Queen Jody and AP is here with me, the birthday guy for today. Shout out to you, AP. Happy birthday. I hope you're full enjoying it.
I am happy.
Alright, let's just get into the tour. So we are here guys at Sakuta at a 3-bedroom house for sale. So we're gonna just take a tour of the inside so you guys can see what it looks like. It's newly renovated, still small work to be done, but you know, we can just show, we have the opportunity of showing you what it is like right now so that you can think about it and get in touch, right?
Yeah, you don't know guys, so make sure you visit our website now, rebites.com. Yeah, check it out, see?
That's right.
So the land, I get to understand that the land where that this house is on is 15 by 25 meters, so let's go inside.
Alright, so here where I'm standing is the veranda or the front porch, or we call the entryway, right? Upon entering the front door, you're walking into the living quarters or the living room or the sitting room. There are so many names that you could call these spaces. All right. What I love also about this space already is that it has ambient lighting. You know, it has that nice recessed lights. Also, it's a tray ceiling vibe going on there with the mood lights. So that's gonna bring a lot of lighting into the space when it's dark at night. Yeah. Also, I love that it has the 2 windows here, so it allows for fresh air and natural lights to come in. All right. Along this side would be our dining area, and this dining area also has some nice recessed lights. And one window right here for opening up to the outside, and it has, as we said, that natural light vibe coming in. So imagine sitting here at this dining table with your family or your friends, and you just have that nice sunlight coming in. All right, on to my right, we're going to be taking a tour of the kitchen. Should we go to the kitchen first though?
I mean, I don't mind. I like cooking, so maybe.
You know what? I'm going to leave the kitchen for last. Let's go to the other end. That would be the right end of the building, right wing of the building. All right,
let's go.
Oh, these lightings, I can't get enough of them.
Yeah, they're very nice.
All right, so I'm smack in between this space here where you have a bedroom on the right and 2 bedroom also on the left. Here is our guest bathroom, but let me take you to the right first. All right, welcome. Alrighty, so this is a big bedroom, and it also has a bathroom, but the bedroom has 2 windows looking out to the garden at the front there, looking out to the side. Also like that, I like that this room. You hear no French here, so it's
the reverb.
Yeah,
apologies for the reverb.
Guys, this property is locally built, or this house is locally built. So all the work that you're seeing, workmanship, is all locals. All right. Come on in. Okay, so the bathroom is not yet fitted out. It still has like faucets and stuff to go in, but you can tell because they have the electrical for the water heater to go in, and I think this would be a shower area if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, shower area. And also this is where the face is. The toilet will be going based on what I'm seeing. Alright. Alright guys, so that's it for the first bedroom. So you see it's an ensuite already. It has bathroom of its own.
Yeah, it's very nice. I like this door as well, Jody. This door is very nice.
It's naturally made. I mean locally made.
It's naturally made, I like that.
It's locally made. Alright, so we're on the end of the other section. Let's take a look at the inside here. This is a smaller size bedroom than the one that we see. So I guess that one is the master bedroom that we just saw. The first one is the master bedroom. So we're here in a small room. It also has a bathroom, has 2 windows looking out to the back and to the side of the property. Nice recessed lights and nice, well, this one is not so much a chandelier, but it has ceiling fans. And there's a space there for when you need AC to fit in. Alright guys, so we're going to be taking a look of this bathroom as well. right here we have the shower. Right here will be the toilet, and it's a bit confusing. I think this would be the shower over here, the toilet here.
Yeah.
So somehow they have probably this is for lighting.
Yeah. Anyways, I like the tile.
But as I said, this one, yes, AP, the blue and white tiles, they're really nice. I think if I were to purchase this house, I would maybe change all the tiles for the bathroom, for my liking, but it's a house that you can buy, guys, so you can always fix it how you like if you see something that you would want to change. But for the most part, each bedroom have a bathroom for the most part. Let's see if the other one does have one for itself.
That is true.
Before we get to the next bathroom,
Okay.
AP, you're liking the tour thus far?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Let's go.
Alright, so this one is the guest bathroom.
Oh.
Alright. So as I said, there is a little bit more work to be done here. But you have your bath, the window there. This is where I believe the toilet and the shower. This one is gonna be quite tight, but you can always fix it how you like.
That is true.
Yeah. Alright. So guys, this is the only bedroom without a bathroom. So of course, this bedroom will also share the guest bathroom.
Okay. I really like it though. I like that you can just walk around the house freely.
Right.
So I like that.
And I kind of do like the fact that the bedrooms are to one side of the house. So when you're entertaining guests, if you don't want anybody to be on your personal side, you know what I mean? You just keep them to the entertaining side.
I agree with that.
Yeah. Alright, let's go back to the front where we started in terms of the living room, and then you get to see the kitchen.
Thank you very much.
All right.
I'm hungry then.
Okay guys, so we're back where we started, and I will be taking you into the tour of the kitchen.
Okay.
I must say, I love the space in this kitchen. I love that it is open. I would have preferred if I could see through to the living room. However, I do like that, to the dining and living room quarters, but I like that this space is open, just the same, a big spacious kitchen. And these are locally made cupboards, guys. As you can see, so locally made furnitures here, cabinetries. So faucets are yet to go in, but you can see the sink. You have the idea of what the kitchen can look like, and it will be just fitted out with stove. And when you make this purchase, actually, you can fit it out whatever you want.
I agree.
Right?
Yeah, I like the space in the kitchen. I can see something possibly going in the middle here because you have spaces. If you get creative.
Like a small island.
Yeah, if you want to get creative,
Yeah.
you could do that. I like the lights above as well. They're very nice.
Absolutely.
And I like that you have that little space at the back. I guess you're gonna talk about that now.
Yeah, and the red white tiles here are not bad at all.
Yeah, they're nice.
Alright, so this is a small storage space.
Pantry.
You could use it as your pantry or your wash area maybe, because it's closer to the back, so you can probably set up a washing machine in there if needs be. Yeah. Alright, so now that we've done towards kitchen area, we're going to be taking you onto the outdoors.
Yeah.
So let's
This door lead outside. Do you want to exit from this one?
Yeah, let me exit from here.
And then go around?
Right.
Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, so we're gonna be exiting through the back.
Hey.
Alright, so this is, I get to understand, is a newly built house. Generator is here already. So this is why you're seeing all of these things that are still here in the space. So it's not yet fully clean. But I like that you can come out from the back door here onto this patio, back patio, and it's open up to, I think this is the back bedroom here. Am I mistaken, or is it?
Yeah, that's a room.
This is a room right here. Yeah, so this is the back patio. You can have your nice pots set up with your plants, because the back here is fully concrete, tiled I should say. So you having garden space is not, you have to create your garden space from pots. What's a nice pillow? No, it's not the one that you
Sleep with.
sleep on, but at least, you know, this one keeps the house standing.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're here and this is our wash area where you can, you know, wash your clothes and stuff like that. This is also a borehole, so you have access to water consistently.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, let's take a look around.
Yeah, let's walk.
Alright.
You know, always walking around the house, checking
Yeah.
to make sure that everything is good.
Yes, so guys, this house you can walk right around it as well. And you know I love when we can walk right around the property, right?
Alright, let's go.
Okay, come along. Ooh, right here is so cool.
Yeah, Ronnie, so the rooms on this side are gonna be the coolest
I
room.
believe so too.
And I like the height of the wall as well.
Yes.
And I think they're gonna add security fencing, like the barbed wire up top here.
Right.
So
Alright guys, so we are now at the front of the property. And as you can tell, aside from the tiled areas, you have some garden space.
yeah.
Right? It's not a big garden space, but you have ample garden space to allow for that greenery inside the property.
Yeah, I like the greenery as well.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Just need some little tender loving care. They call it manicured lawns. So also need a little bit of manicure. Alright, and so we're back to where we started in the front patio,
Yeah.
front veranda. Yeah.
And I like this space over here. Like, you know, you
Yeah.
have this big parking space inside.
Right, so you can just, I think this can fit possibly 3 vehicles to 2 vehicles.
3 to 2 vehicles?
Yeah,
Possibly.
yeah. Depending on how tight the space, like how big the vehicle is, you can,
Yeah.
you can,
I think so. It depends on how you park.
right.
But it's very nice. It's a nice standard house.
I think
You know,
so too.
I love the roofing and stuff like that. It's very good.
Ah, come, let me show you something.
See?
What you could do with this space right here. If you didn't want to park directly here and you're thinking of just parking at the front there, but even if you should park here, you can have that. You know what I love to talk about, AP, that
Pergola.
burglary thing.
Yeah,
you know, that
you could
wooden
add it.
vibe
Yes.
coming over here.
Yeah, you
and
could add
filling
it.
out this space to this space. So then you have, you see what I'm talking about.
I do see what you're
Right.
talking.
So you bring a more uplifting.
Yeah, it kind of make the place look a little bit more luxurious.
Right. Exactly the point.
And this is a developing area, so you know there's a
Yes.
lot of houses being built.
Absolutely.
As I'm sure you guys seen that monster house, that huge house across, like that's big.
Right.
So around this area you'll find those type of houses.
Alright guys, so we've come to the end of our tour of this lovely 3 newly built, 2 as that, 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom house for sale in Sakuta. And the property is, the house is standing on a
15 by 25 meters land.
That's
It's
right.
located, as Jody said, in Sakuta.
That's right.
The price is also $5.5 million, see, with negotiations. So if you guys are interested, what are they supposed to do, Jody?
Yes guys, so if you are interested in purchasing this house,
send an email to info@rebites.com.
that's right.
You don't know, the information will be in the description, guys. So you don't know how we do it, Jody.
Feet on the ground, working and letting it work.
Alright, until the next video, guys.